Your iPhone can hold years of messages, from everyday conversations to important records, photos, and attachments. With iMazing, you can export those messages to your computer, on macOS or Windows, in a format that fits your needs. Whether you're archiving conversations, preparing evidence for a legal case, or willing to save a local copy, iMazing lets you export your messages, iMessage, WhatsApp, SMS, and RCS, as PDF, text, Excel, CSV, or RSMF, with full control over what's included. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, launch iMazing on your Mac or PC. If you haven't installed it already, download iMazing from iMazing.com. Next, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. If this is the first time you're connecting the device, unlock it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm pairing. Once paired, iMazing will remember the device for future sessions. In iMazing's main window, click Devices in the left sidebar. You'll see all devices that have previously been paired to your computer. Select the device you want to work with. From the Device Overview screen, you'll see a selection of available datasets. Click on Messages. iMazing will need to perform a backup in order to extract your messages. If this is the first time you're connecting the device, iMazing will ask you whether you want to perform a full backup, which is restorable, or choose Data Access Only, which is lighter and focused on extracting messages. Confirm your choice, then enter your device passcode when requested. If your iPhone backups are encrypted, you may be asked to enter your backup password. If a backup already exists on your computer, iMazing will offer to reuse it or refresh it to display the latest data. This backup process may take a little while to complete. You can now browse all your conversations in the main window. Select a conversation to view its messages and attachments. To enter carousel view, double-click on an image and scroll through your photos easily. If you only need specific messages, select them directly in the message list. You can also select multiple conversations at once to export them in bulk. From there, you can apply filters based on dates or even search text within your messages. iMazing lets you also fine-tune what's included, like contact details, timestamps, status, attachments, and more. When you're ready, click Export in the bottom right corner. Choose the format that best suits your needs: PDF, Excel, CSV, plain text, RSMF, or export attachments if you only need photos, videos, or files. Review your options, then click Next. Choose where you want to save the exported file on your computer and confirm. Your messages are ready to use. iMazing protects your privacy. Encrypted data stays encrypted. Your data remains on your computer, not on the cloud. And iMazing further features e-discovery capabilities, signing PDF exports, and full metadata access. Find out more at iMazing.com.